I want to give you the second face of this laptop. Here it is. You see it? You see it? Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. There it is. You can see it. It's running. It's coming on. It's coming on. It needs now the user's password. Nothing much. That's how you fix laptops. And you earn money. Yeah. And you earn money. Serious money. Inakaaje? Hapana. Fidel, usikuwa umechukua vitu za wenyewe. Unajua nguo zetu. All right. You can check it. So, it's not an easy task, but it's easy if you want it to be. It's how you call it. It's how you view it. This problem with this laptop, it can bog your mind. It can take you far, seeking solution. And you don't get it. It can take you very far. Patience is everything. Because sometimes you can try all those things and then they fail. That's when the motherboard is fried, or it doesn't have any use anymore. I hope I'm communicating. I hope I'm communicating concerning this project I was doing here, trying to switch on this laptop, which had overclocking issues. Laptops, they experience overclocking issues because of generating too much heat, and the cooling system is not right, and we are doing heavy graphics processing, maybe, or this power surge hits you. This is it. So these are the things the black people should emulate and try to do to solve their problems. Not necessarily you go and beg for money. These are the things you need to initiate, and they'll take you far. They'll take you far. Work on laptops, fixing them within no time. The customer is happy, and he's ready to go. Enjoy your day. Happy to serve you. Subscribe to the channel and keep on watching more and more to come.